Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Now with 3 days remaining, the Windies are 4 wickets away from taking a 1-0 series lead in their 2-match series against Bangladesh at the Sir Vivian Richards ground in Antigua. Tearaway pacer Shannon Gabriel has so far taken 4 for 36 as Bangladesh in their second innings struggled to 62 for 6 at stumps on day 2 of the opening test in Antigua. They need another 301 runs for the Windies to bat again. Windies skipper Jason Holder has taken 2 for 15, while Mabudala, 15 not out, is the visitors' best scorer. Earlier, the Caribbean men resuming on 201 for 2 progressed to 406 all out, with Craig Rathwaite notching his 7th test century as he fell for 121. Shea Hope made 67, while Captain Jason Holder and Kemar Roach made 33 each, adding to Devon Smith's 58 and Karen Powell's 48. Debutant Abu Jahed claimed 3 for 84, while Mehdi Hassan supported with 3 for 101. Play resumes at 9 o'clock Jamaica time on Friday. Scores again in the match: Bangladesh 43 and 62 for 6. The West Indies 406 all out.